Hi, my name is Raquel,
My name is Morelli.
and we are going to be talking about oil spills. So, an oil spill is an accidental or unintentional spill of oil into the ocean caused by human activity. We'll be concentrating primarily on the BP oil spill, which occurred on the Gulf of Mexico in the year 2010. Oil spills are of interest because it affects the environment by contaminating water, harming marine life, and has many costs into repairing the damages caused by the oil spill. The BP oil spill is also the biggest oil spill in the United States. About 200 million gallons of crude oil was spilled into the Gulf of Mexico, and it took about 87 days to clean up. The oil spill affected more than 16,000 miles of the coastlines along the states of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. The oil rig disaster injured and killed several people during the explosion. 17 were injured and 11 were killed during the explosion. Long-term damages of oil can still be found on the shores, even though the pumping of oil has been stopped in the year 2010. No two oil spills are also the same because variations of oil type, location, and weather conditions affect the degradation of oil. The four methods of response to cleaning up oil spills include leaving oil to break down naturally, containing oil spills within booms, collecting water from surface skimmer, use dispersants to break up oil speed up its natural biodegradation, and introduce biological agents to speed up its process.
Also, mammals, birds, and turtles living near the oil spill have been severely affected because they were dead within 6 months of the accident. Because of the oil found in animals, many mammals lost their fur, causing them to freeze during cool temperatures. Birds were handicapped from their ability to fly due to the oil on their wings, and turtle shells were destroyed. A total of 47 mammals, 997 birds, and 400 turtles were found dead throughout the duration of the oil spill. Current controversies are that marine life may be threatened by cleanup operations or indirectly through physical damage to the habitats in which plants and animals live. The fishing industry also suffered greatly because many people might suspect their fish could be contaminated with oil and therefore impacting their market and many fishermen. The oil spill has affected the tourism economy because people no longer visited the popular coastal states near the Gulf of Mexico. Also, BP has to pay cleanup costs and fines, which total about $40 million, and also the Clean Water Act forced BP to pay an extra $16 billion. Today, so far, the U.S. Supreme Court has rejected the oil giant BP's legal challenge to a compensation deal over the 2010 Gulf of Mexico spill. BP argued this deal was inflated and misinterpreted. BP is currently spending about $1 billion on job cuts, and people are currently volunteering to help clean the oil spill today.